Does your baby scream when there's tummy time? Here are some helpful tips to make it more fun and less stressful on you. Hi, I'm Dr. Nancy Silva. I'm a mom and pediatrician in Wesley Chapel, Florida. I had two very different situations. My son loved tummy time. He was born like practically doing push-ups. It was impressive. My daughter, she didn't hate it, but she didn't love it either. So what I did, and what I recommend for everybody, is start a few days after birthing. It just can be a daily routine. So what you do is, again, just like with a safe mattress crib, so you can do this on the floor, putting a sheet on the floor. That's what I love to do. A thin sheet, not a blanket that can get all scrunched up and that they can kind of get stuck on, so not breathing as freely as they can. But a thin bed sheet on the floor, flat surface. If you want the floor, find another flat surface that works for you. And what happens is you put them tummy down, and you're going to notice that they will try to lift up their head and then cock it down. Try cock it down. Now the strong babies, right away off the bat, guess what? They're doing it like gangbusters. But other babies, it's harder. So what do? Do you wait until they're crying and screaming? No. Set a timer on your watch. I've had the experience of some others who didn't do any tummy time, and that really delayed their developmental milestones and their growth, their motor skills. So you don't want to delay it. You don't have to do it the day they're born, but really within that first week is a great time. So you just start. You start with like 2 minutes, just 2 minutes. They cry for more than 2 minutes when they're hungry, so they can cry for 2 minutes when they're on their tummy. Easy peasy. So you just set that timer, and you just keep doing it 2 minutes at a time until they stop crying. And then you can extend it to 3 minutes. And it's something really easy to do. Your phone has a timer, your kitchen has a timer, your microwave has a timer. You can buy a little timer, find a way to get that done. It'll be a lot less stress-free. Other tips, very easy and fun. Always place your baby so you can see their face and they can see you. You can do this from the side if the baby's here. You can do it with the baby right in front of you. And I would always do that and just talk to them and smile, because babies love smiling above everything else. And yet, way the time passes for you and your baby. What else can you do? Toys. Something simple and stimulating. Now, I usually don't recommend this in the first month or two necessarily, because a lot of stimulation makes them very tired and cranky and fussy when it comes time for eating and fussy when it comes time for sleeping or napping. However, you can just put a little block with a little color and you'd be surprised. They just look at it like, what is that? It doesn't have to be something that jingles, moves around, and wheels around. Simple, very plain stimulation can be fun. Guess what? Mommy's face is the most fun of all. Another fun thing, as they start getting older, about 3 months old, they can enjoy looking at themselves in the mirror. They don't know they're looking at themselves, but they're having fun doing it. So a simple little handheld mirror, or even your phone, that you can just put in selfie mode, and they'll just be staring at you. What's going on? Fun for you, fun for baby. And you can even include yourself in that selfie, so if you and baby are looking, and watch the fascination in their eyes. Again, I don't recommend that too young, too much stimulation, and not enough brain maturity. At around 3 or 4 months old, they definitely can have that. How often should you do tummy time? It all depends. If it's only 2 minutes at a time, you want to do it more times in the day. Sometimes tummy time can be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. As they start getting older and longer, then it's less frequent. So when it's 2 times, I usually tell people, do it about 10 times a day. You won't do it about 10 times a day. But if you think about doing it 10 times a day, you're going to do it much more than once or twice a day. So just as much as you can without stressing out your baby too much, so they can keep getting to that next minute stretch mark. Because the benefits are astronomical. What does tummy time actually accomplish? It makes their arms stronger, their shoulder muscles stronger, their neck stronger. And also there's a lot of social development when they're interacting with their baby. So we definitely want that in your baby's life very quickly. I hope you find this helpful. I also have some free guides that I created to help new moms and seasoned moms along the way. The most recent two that I created are Mindful Moms 101 to help you become a more powerful, confident mom every day. And the other is Fever Tips 101. That's going to help a lot of different moms through the age of 2. You can find these free guides by clicking on the comment below or going to my website, drsilvakids.com. Go to the shop area, you'll find free guides, and you'll find some trainings with more on the way. Until the next time, be kind to yourself. Bye-bye.